So he'll go back to the 3 now. Brian is actually, oh, so Brian's a lap down.
Watch back double.
Yeah, Mark Baldwin, your leader. I thought Brian was still involved in this, but he's not. He's a lap down here battling with Gamber. That's awkward. The battle for 3rd and 4th is between the battle for 1st and 2nd and on the same pace. So awkward. 5:50 to go. Just trying to work with bright yellow here as Baldwin's going to get the streak away a little bit right now with open track ahead. He has 6 down, 2 to go. Baldwin a little squirrely. He backs out of it, makes a smart play. Matt putting that front left tire right on the apex of the pipe. Trying to be precise and get around here. Maybe overdriving just a hair because he knows Baldwin has more pace. One of those deals where you just gotta run your race and hope that it comes back to you. Baldwin out front right now in the white, orange, and blue. Coming through the whoop-de-woo and onto the front straight.
I think we're next, yeah.
22 for the hot lap for Baldwin. He's got 8/10 in hand when it comes to hot lap. I mean, car's good, tires are right, driver's good. Everything coming together here to just outpace the field. So having some ball barking a little bit there. Brian upside down. Asking Gamber a little bit of breathing room with less than a minute to go. 40 seconds in this one. Coming up next, final race of the evening is E-Buggy. Coming up next, E-Buggy. 25 seconds left to go. Gamber might get by for one more. Groff won't. So Groff on his final lap right now. He's going to need big mistakes from Baldwin, but it ain't happening.
Hey, you're going to get hurt. I just think you're safe. Are you okay? Yeah, it is. Yeah, go back to that. Go back to that. You pull me up.
And we're racing the line drivers.
Lining up for them. There's more talk about it. First minute countdown.
It hooked up at the end, bro!
Oh, don't touch backwards on the live track. Madman. Okay, I guess we're all done now.
Yeah, I didn't go that much slower.
Go Madman. There we go.
Oh, jeez.
It's all three picks.
Break my buggy.
Okay. Mark Baldwin going to take a convincing win there. Going to go a hot lap at 22.4 and win it by
I'm like last, so.
almost a lap.
Okay, I'll stand beside.
Almost.